Hello, readers and writers, and welcome to Lesson 17 of your ELA School Away from School. I am Mr. Martz, and I will be your virtual teacher for today's lesson. Let's start by remembering our guiding questions. How do human actions affect the natural world? How do authors approach providing information and making an argument? And how does reading for research help me to form an opinion and make an argument? As always, we will be trying to address these questions through today's work. For today's lesson, you will need the text. Scientists may be using stretchy glue from slugs for wound care. Your copy of Lesson 17, the Lesson 17 note catcher, and a pencil. Go ahead and pause the video here while you make sure that you have everything. We have one learning target for today. I can use prefixes, suffixes, and roots as clues to help me determine the meaning of an unknown word. Let's make sure that we keep this target in mind during our lesson. First, you will be rereading Scientists May Be Using Stretchy Glue from Slugs for Wound Care with a family member, caregiver, or friend. As you read along, you can listen to the read aloud from Lesson 15. Pause the video here while you read. Okay, time to think. Today, we will be looking at prefixes and suffixes. These are letters that attach to a root or base word to change its meaning. We can use prefixes and suffixes to help us understand new and unknown words. What do you do first when you don't understand a word? Now you will have a discussion with your family member, caregiver, or friend. Prefixes are letters attached to the beginning of a root word. Some common prefixes include anti, over, and pre. Can you think of any words that start with these letters? What do you think that each of these prefixes means? Go ahead and pause the video here while you discuss. Continuing your discussion, suffixes are letters attached to the end of a root word. Some common suffixes include ik, and ist. Can you think of any words that end with these letters? What do you think that each of these suffixes means? Again, pause the video here while you discuss. Now we will complete the Lesson 17 note catcher. You will be collecting vocab words from the article that begin or end with the example prefixes and suffixes. Write your words in the vocab from text column and write a short definition for each in the vocab meaning column. Pause the video here while you complete this work. All right, great job today. Think about how you did with our learning target. I can use prefixes, suffixes, and roots as clues to help me determine the meaning of a word. Share your work with someone and tell why you chose to write what you did. Also, remember to read a book with a family member, caregiver, or friend for 20 minutes. For today's fluency practice, read the text with fluency and expression at least 2 times. Thanks for learning with me today. I will see you back here for Lesson 18.